present values. This is a topic in investment mathematics, and in layman terms, it's basically how do you know how much you need today to have X amount later on. So the equation is present value equals A over 1 plus I to the power of T. So T is the period, and in this example, we're going to pick 10 years. I is the interest rate or the bond. So let's say you're investing in a bond or an exchange traded fund, and you've got a 5% average return per year. So let's do 5%. And then A is the amount that you want. So let's say we want £10,000 or dollars, doesn't really matter. So now let's plug that all in. So the present value would be A, 10,000, divided by 1 plus, you take the 5 and you convert it into a decimal. So 5% represented as a decimal is 0.05. And everything here would then be to the power of T, sorry, not everything, just this, of 10 years. So then putting this into a calculator, you're going to get 6,139.13. So that means if you today put in 6,139 into a bond, which yields 5% per year, in 10 years, you would have 10,000 in that bond. Most people wouldn't do that. You would probably put this amount initially, and then every single month you would have a steady amount going in. I've done another video on that that you can check in the investment mathematics playlist on regular monthly payments.